Biggest snowstorm since 1993. Cool, huh? It's very wet snow, so it's all sticking to the branches like this. It's incredible. This is what happens when you get a few hundred kilos of snow on a branch. It drops down from wherever up there and just nails anything under it. There go my feet. Whew. That's deep. That's some deep snow right there. Wow, this is incredible. I'm knee deep in snow here. Cool, huh? Wow, it's hard work. It's right up to the windows. It's good. Foot at least of snow. I'm gonna go for a walk with Liz and Dave and see if the shops are open. And there we go, snowed in. Hey, you're not gonna come out.
Dave doesn't even have boots though.
Oh wow.
Okay, ski pants that are a good move. Do you want to make sure the ski pants in? They'd be shoveling for like hours. Yeah. I wish we had a shovel. Yeah, well, we don't even have a shovel. Yeah, we don't either.
Yeah, it's going to be a few hours out
there. That is something left of a car there. That's buried. Everyone's out there.
That tree's going to fall over. I was going to take down that power line. Yeah. They're not getting any more cable or power. That dog is having so much fun. How much is that dog? I'm in the set.
Aw, they just love to play.
Look at the chair, you got into it. Again! I can't jump! Grab the net!